Hey guys, if you're new to motorcycling, hitting the road can be thrilling, but it's also easy to make mistakes that could cost you. Today, I'm counting down the top 10 beginner mistakes that new riders make and how to avoid them. I'll share tips from my own riding experience and things every new rider should know. Let's ride.
Number 1, skipping proper gear. Some beginners think it's just a short ride, I'll be fine. Skipping a helmet, jacket, gloves, or proper boots is a huge risk. Even at low speeds, a fall can cause serious injuries. Always wear full protective gear and make sure your helmet fits snugly and your gloves have good grip. Remember, gear is your first line of defense, not optional. Number 2, overconfidence, riding too fast. Many new riders get excited and push their bikes faster than their skill level allows. Feeling confident doesn't mean you're ready for high speeds, twisty roads, or heavy traffic. Overconfidence is the number one cause of beginner crashes. Start slow, master control, and gradually push your limits safely. Number 3, braking mistakes. New riders often rely only on the front or the rear brake, or grab the brake abruptly. Learning to use both brakes together smoothly is critical for stopping safely. Practice emergency braking in a safe area. Know how your bike reacts in different conditions so you're not caught off guard on the road. Number 4, ignoring road conditions. Road conditions change constantly. Wet pavement, gravel, potholes, oil patches, and debris are everywhere. Beginners often ride without scanning ahead, which can be dangerous. Always anticipate hazards, reduce speed if necessary, and give yourself time to react. Riding defensively is just as important as riding skillfully. Number 5, poor body position. Your body position directly affects your balance and handling. Sitting stiff or leaning incorrectly reduces stability, especially in turns. Learn to shift your weight, lean with your bike, and keep your upper body relaxed. Proper posture makes corners smoother, braking more controlled, and overall riding more comfortable. Number 6, not signaling, checking blind spots. Failing to signal or check for blind spots is a major safety risk. Drivers don't always see motorcycles. Always signal early, glance over your shoulder, and make eye contact with drivers whenever possible. Communicating your intentions can prevent accidents and keep you visible on the road. Number 7, tailgating, riding too close. New riders often follow too closely behind other vehicles. Maintaining a safe following distance is crucial. You need enough space to react if someone stops suddenly or a hazard appears. The rule of thumb, at least a 2-second gap in normal conditions, more in bad weather or traffic. Number 8, ignoring maintenance. Your bike is mechanical. If you ignore the tires, brakes, chains, or fluids, problems will show up on the road. Beginner riders sometimes skip maintenance, thinking it's boring or unnecessary. Regular checks of tire pressure, brake pads, chain tension, oil, and lights prevent breakdowns and accidents. Number 9, improper cornering technique. Many beginners brake in the middle of a turn or enter too fast, which can cause a loss of control. Always slow down before the corner. Look through the turn where you want to go and lean smoothly with your bike. Smooth throttle control and steady body position makes corners safer and more enjoyable. Riding without a plan, number 10. Planning your ride isn't just about navigation, it's also about safety. New riders often leave home without checking traffic, weather, or emergency stops. Know your route, anticipate challenging sections, and have a mental plan for what to do if something goes wrong. A little planning makes every ride safer and more enjoyable.
Riding a motorcycle is one of the most exciting experiences you can have. But avoiding these common mistakes can help you keep you safe and confident. So, gear up, ride smart, and enjoy every mile. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow, and share with fellow riders. Stay safe out there.